Is cellulose blown-in insulation compostable? I have excess cellulose blown-in insulation. Can I compost that in my backyard, as it is essentially wood? I do not plan on using it for composting with plants that produce vegetables or fruit. While I could repurpose it, I prefer working with rigid foam, fiberglass on the expanding foam. The cellulose is at least 15 years old. Would it have been commonplace for it to be treated with chemicals, then render it unsafe for composting? Question from user John Doe at Stack Exchange. Answer: maybe. Sorry, it's not a more definite answer. While you can compost it, it will be treated with a fire retardant of some sort. That might be borax, boric acid and/or ammonium sulfate, all of which are relatively okay to have out in the environment. What is more worrisome is the fact that it might be made from recycled newsprint or other printed materials. The inks used could have all sorts of chemicals in them, such as heavy metals. Putting those out in the environment isn't the best idea. As a result, the best practical uses are reuse if it's still in good condition, or sanitary landfill if it is not. Way more details are available at this NIH study if you happen to have insomnia. Answer from user KMJ at Stack Exchange.